Ever wonder if people are actually making money on Etsy? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how my shop did in November, but beyond the numbers, there were 3 key takeaways that helped me grow, and I know they'll help you too. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danya, and I relaunched my digital download shop in July of 2024. And in about a 5-month period, I've grown my shop to over 5,500 orders. My goal on my channel is to share with you what I've learned and what I continue to learn to help you grow your shop as well. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Pay attention to what is working. For example, if you have a new design you put up, it's starting to get views and favorites and orders pretty quickly. You want to pay attention to that, and you want to ultimately begin making more of that. We call that doubling down. I'm sure you've heard other people talk about doubling down. That really means to identify what is it about that particular item that did well. Could it have been the keywords you were using, the design, the niche? When you begin to learn that, that is when you know what to create more of. Go through your listings, and then you'll use that information to create more and different variations of a proven listing that has been doing well. Now, when I relaunched my shop in July of 2024, I took a very strategic approach to it, and I focused only on low competition, highly searched designs. And that strategy has been a complete game changer for me. And instead of trying to compete in oversaturated markets, I'm looking for niches where the demand outweighs the supply. And I can pretty much guarantee that approaching your shop that way will save you a lot of frustration. What has really helped me was a research tool. I've talked about it before, but I love Everbee. Everbee is wonderful for helping me identify those up and coming trends, and that has been a complete game changer for me because I can be one of the early adopters of a new and upcoming trend. Another takeaway was remembering to launch your holiday items a minimum of 2 to 3 months before that holiday. In my shop, for example, in November, I began putting up Valentine's Day items, and they're already selling quickly too, which I did not anticipate. I knew the designs were pretty good, but having people buy them in November and looking at the rate at which they're buying them for a holiday 3 months away has been very interesting to see. And that's a good reminder that you don't want to wait until a month before the holiday to put up a listing. Put it up now. You know, we're currently at the beginning of December. You still have time to do Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and Mardi Gras. And in January, you could even think about putting up items for Easter. It'll be a couple of months away at that point, but that'll be enough time for the Etsy algorithm to understand what the listing is and start beginning to show it to the correct people who are more likely to purchase. And I did want to throw in an extra tip. Keep learning every day. The fact that you're here watching this video shows that you're ready to level up your shop, and you should be very proud of yourself. I'm proud of you guys. Okay, and we are on the back end of my shop. I did put the dates to reflect November only, and I have from November 1st to November 30th. Now what I'll do is I am under the daily visit graph here, and we can see how many visits I'm getting per day. But each day I'm having really good traffic to the shop. I'm going to go through the rest of the month to give you an idea. Continue going. Now I'm going to show you everything. Okay. Now you can see that during the month of November, I had over 21,000 people come to my shop. I had 2,534 orders. I had a 12% conversion rate, and I made a revenue amount of $7,121.08. I'm going to click the order graphic to show you what that broke down to each day. So the beginning of the month, I had 87 orders and 81. I'm going to continue to go along so you can see for yourself. On the 5th of November, I had 117 orders. We'll continue to go along. The next day, I had 104. And like I said in my other video where I shared my 4 months results, the numbers go up and down every day. Don't get too worried about the day to day. November 10th, 77 orders. November 13th, 107. Again, up and down, up and down. But the numbers are holding pretty steadily. We'll just continue to go along. And look at that right here. There's a pretty big drop from November 22nd of having 91 orders to November 23rd having 56. Climb back up. Right here, we're around Thanksgiving. I had 39 orders on November 29th, or excuse me, November 28th. I apologize. Then the following day, I had 73. And I ended the month with 56 orders on November 30th. And that's the thing that I'm probably going to continue to harp on. It changes every day. And what you need to remember, no matter what, keep going. Just keep going and try not to get too hooked on the day-to-day numbers. And I know it's easier said than done. And I was hooked on the day-to-day numbers. But I challenge you to, if you're checking your dashboard 10 times a day, maybe try to check it 5. Like a realistic goal. I'm not telling you to go cold turkey and not, check your numbers, but maybe bring it down a little bit so you don't get yourself too worked up on that and you can just continue to learn and grow and keep building your shop out. I know that learning Etsy can feel like learning a new language, and I think the best advice I can give you is to keep learning, keep growing, and keep challenging yourself. If you take action and you apply proven strategies that you learned from different YouTubers, different coaches, and different communities, you have a really good chance of your shop doing well. Okay? And that is how my shop did in the month of November. I'm really happy with how the month ended up. I don't have any complaints. And if you're struggling with what to even sell, I do have a free ebook I created for you of 25 digital products to sell to hopefully give you some inspiration and give you a bit of direction. Check the link below. It is completely free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.